guys, I'm Deedee. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of gardening here. My husband and I built a house here in Montana about 4.5 years ago, and we have 5 acres. So I just started gardening last year and I really enjoyed it. I do have some videos that I've put together. Haven't posted them yet. I'll be putting them up on YouTube soon. Yeah, it's cold this time of year though. Look at my thermometer there, it's 4 degrees and snow. So it's hard to get out and garden, but I do a lot of house plants. So you can help me with that. Come along with me and help me with that. And since my husband and I moved in here 4.5 years ago, there's still a lot of walls that need to be decorated and a lot of drawers and rooms that need to be organized. So I thought you guys could keep me accountable and we can go through that together and do that together. And I'm gonna have my faithful companion with me, London. You see her down there? My lassie dog. She's like, who's out there? So yeah, so London will be hanging out with us, and yeah, it'll just be a mishmash of stuff, and I hope you enjoy the ride. So I just want to say Happy New Year's, and this is going to be a great year. See you soon.